Hi guys, I was gifted this floating shelf from the seller to show you how easy it was to install and what you can do with it. It would be easily used. It's quite a sturdy shelf. It's solid metal. It does come with the bracket piece that you're going to attach to the wall, and it's going to attach to that through these little squares. It does have two soft rubberized stoppers from having it rub against the wall, so it stops that. So it's not, when you set stuff in it, it doesn't damage your wall. I'm going to go ahead and install it on the wall so you can see what it looks like hung up. It does come with a screwdriver, so you don't need any tools. And it does come with the screws and the mollies for the, it does come with this screwdriver. And it does come with all of the hardware that you need to install it. So the mollies and the screws. So I'm going to go ahead and install it, and I will come back. Okay guys, I got the frame installed. I used the screws and the mollies. I'm just going to put the shelf on. As you can see, there's two little hooks here, and it's just going to go right inside, and then it goes on, and you have a floating shelf. So I would use this perhaps for my dryer sheets. I could use this. So I could set this up in here, and I can also, I mean, you can use it for anything that you need that you want to have close at hand. It is solid metal. It is gray. It is gray. It is rust. It does not rust. So if you're in the market for a nice floating shelf, I would definitely check this one out. Thanks.